Blue Moonshine says, would Jax punch a prego woman? Gershon says, I have 3 main things why I like N. 1, you're so silly. 2, you're such a little goober. And 3, femboy drone.
I'll take that as a compliment.
I have hair on my arms. I hope you're not anemic. I took a DNA test, and I am like 100% white. I don't even have any like Irish in me. You know, I assume that Rabbit from Winnie the Pooh will make a triumphant appearance. Michael, can you date me? No, Kevin. Love you, Michael. You're my favorite African-American voice actor. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. Don't worry, girl. You'll get through those period cramps. I believe in you. Bye.